Welcome to the Ultimate Pillow Fighting Championship, brought to you by Levitex, official Sail Sharks partner. Well, it all comes down to this. The two best pillow fighters in the Sail Sharks squad. These two have been the best of the best, but who will be crowned champion? Levitex offers gravity-defying foam technology, but who can defy gravity best on the high beam here? Here they go then, Langdon swoops, but it's a fresh air shot. Down he goes! What a start for Solomona! It was great footwork from Solomona there, and just look at the celebration. Langdon needs to get his skates on here. This final is slipping away from him. Look at Solomona. He's toying with his opponent. He's got him rattled. That's the championship winning moment. Solomona just oozed confidence there. He said, "Give me your best shot," but it wasn't good enough. Sensational scenes as Denny Solomona is crowned the undisputed Ultimate Pillow Fighting Champion. Curtis, commiserations of the fight today. Did you just come up against a worthier champion?
I think so. Denny had done a lot of analysis on my past few bouts, and I think he had a better game plan. So it clearly meant a bit more to him, so devastated.
Denny, massive congratulations on the win. What a performance out there today. You must be delighted.
Yeah, after last week against Sam James, I went back to the drawing board all week, trained really hard. I watched a few of Curtis's fights, previous rounds, and I thought I could really attack him in that mid-seam, so I was happy to get away with the win.
Well, I know a lot of hard work has gone into this fight today. Tell us how it feels to be the champ.
Feelings, words cannot describe how I feel right now. It's amazing. I'm going to celebrate real hard tonight. That turned out to you today goes out to my family back home. That win was for you, baby.
That's it. Thanks for watching the Ultimate Pillow Fighting Championship.